Good day, students. Today we are going to take up writing section, which is an important section of your question paper. It carries a lot of marks. And in this section, today we are going to take up article writing. Article, children, you read the articles in magazines, in newspaper and journals. So today we are going to learn what an article is and how an article is written. First of all, we would like to know what is an article. An article is a non-fictional writing. Now, what is non-fictional? There are two kinds of writing. One is fictional and another is non-fictional. Fictional writing is something which is related to imaginary ideas. Whatever comes to your mind, means it has nothing to do with reality. Whatever comes to your mind in your imagination, you put that on paper and that becomes a fictional writing. And non-fictional writing, it is something which is related to something real, true and based on facts. Non-fictional writing has nothing to do with your only imagination. It is based on logical reasoning, factual description. So article writing is a non-fictional writing. It means you cannot imagine the things and write them on your own. In fictional writing we can write stories, but articles are always written on non-fictional ground, right? So next comes article describes any particular event, incident, theme, social concern, etc. Because it has nothing to do with imagination. It is based on real event or real incident or real theme or some social concern which is going on in the society. So this is what article is. What we have learned, that article is non-fictional writing. It is based on real facts, true facts, and it has nothing to do with our imagination, and they describe events, incidents, themes, social concerns, etc. Now children, it has a format. Let us learn what the format of an article is. First of all, we write the heading. What kind of heading should we give to our article? Our heading should be catchy. Catchy means attractive. It should attract the attention of the reader. And it should be introducing. Introducing what? Introducing the topic we are going to take in the article. And it should be interest arousing. Because if your heading is dull and it is not attractive, reader will not take interest in reading it. So your heading should be interesting, it should be catchy, so that reader gets attracted towards the heading and he reads it. And children, if the heading is small, you can write in all capital. Otherwise, what is to be done? You have to write first alphabet of each word capital. Suppose our article is Save Girl Child. Save, S capital, G-I-R-L, girl, G capital, C-H-I-L-D, C capital. So first letter of each word should be capital while writing a heading. First thing. Second thing about the format is byline. The article is written by whom? Byline. Byline means you are going to write your name. Usually this name is given in the question. But if the name is not given in the question, you can write your own name or you can write A, B, C. Then comes the body of the article. The body of the article consists of 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Paragraph 1 should be introducing. Whatever topic you are taking, like same I am discussing save girl child. It means we are going to discuss about girl child and why there is a need to save them. So your first paragraph, in the whole paragraph you will introduce your topic. In the second paragraph you will be explaining the reasons or the causes and effects of the problem we are discussing here. Like we are talking about save girl child. It means in this paragraph we will discuss what are the dangers children are facing, and its effects, how this is going to affect our society, and what is present condition. These things are to be discussed in para 2, and in para 3 we will be giving some solution, some remedy, means some conclusion that it should not be done and how girls are important for the society. So this way we will be discussing, this is the format of article writing, and we will be discussing one sample article with you. This is your question, children. You are Anamika. Write an article in about 120 to 150 words on the topic impact of media on children. This is your homework. Save girl child is your homework. You are going to write an article on this topic, and this is your classwork, what I am discussing here. I have written one sample article here. See, impact of media on children. I capital. Prepositions you can write with small alphabet. Media M capital, children C capital. This is heading. Then comes byline by Anamika HC. Now this is para 1, introduction. Introduction we are going to give what is media and how it is going to impact children. So in this paragraph it has been written. I will not read the whole paragraph, whole article, because it will be taking much time. I will give you a picture of the same separately. Then in the second para we discuss what is the present scenario, why children are watching so much of these things, and what is its impact on their personality. And in the last paragraph we discuss how we can check this problem, because this is a problem. Children of today's time spend a lot of time in front of TV, computer and gadgets, and they must be guided how to use this gadgets. So this paragraph includes our this you can say solution or remedy for the problem. So children, this is all about article writing. This sample is with you. I will give you another picture of this separately, and you are going to write the format, this sample article, and your homework, save girl child. These 3 things you have to complete in your notebook and submit your work in PDF file in Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.